First fish of the day. Feels like it's swimming. Oh yeah, it was swimming at me. Oh my God, whatever I got, it's pretty good size. And it looks like it's our old buddy Ray. Son of a gun. On a shrimp. Huh. Well, that's exciting. Oh, buddy Ray. Well, let's get you back in the water. See you, buddy. Well, good morning, everybody. We're out here at the pier this morning, and it appears we have a bite. We have fish. We have a fish. All right. Oh, it's even actually pulling a little bit. Huh. What have we got here? That is like the biggest one of those I've ever seen. That's pretty amazing. Interesting. That is about the biggest croaker I've ever seen. I guess they're good to eat, but we're going to let this one go because we're just going to let this one go. See you, buddy. Got myself something pretty nice here. Swimming sideways a little bit. Holy crap. Got me under the dock. Wow. Big old cat. Big old kitty. Look at the size of that kitty. Might be the biggest kitty. Might be by PB kitty, like we really care, but hey, fish are biting. The kitties are here. I think we might have to move. This looks like the kitty hole. Not really wanting to catch any more cats today. Another kitty. This is on straight fish bites. Feels pretty small. Yeah, might have got off. Nope, it's there. It's a kitty. Well, we won't be here very long today because it is going to be that kind of day. But hey, it's a beautiful morning. Get a little sun and enjoy this lovely weather. Definitely got something. Might be a kitty. Might be a kitty. Might be a stingray. Might be another big kitty. It's another good-sized kitty. Oh boy. Something going on here. Let's see what we got. I think it was a crab, and I think it just let go. But let's bring it in and take a look. No, it's coming in a little harder than that. There's got to be something on there. There it is, another kitty. Oh boy. Well, I got a little more time to kill, so I might as well catch a few kitties and call it a day. Got something pretty good size on. If it's a cat, it's a big one. Might be a ray. Might be a cat, might be a ray. Might be who knows. It's fighting a little bit. It is. Looks like a kitty. Yes, it is. It's a big old cat. Great. That's an S. Big old angry kitty. Let's see what we got here. Squat. You're making a bigger mess. Cats are everywhere. They are fired up, even the little ones. I wonder if it's due to the wind. Huh. Got something. It's pulling a little drag. Came swimming at me too. Probably a cat, but hey. Fighting a little bugger. Broke me off. Didn't broke me off, got off. That was not a cat. Come on. Get you. There you go. There you go. That's hooked. Kitty, kitty, kitty. What else would it be? Into the cats. Do have a live pinfish on the other one out there, but it's just got nothing around but cats. Well, hook yourself already. Come on, man. How many you have? No, I think you have. Nope. this time. Yeah. Well, that's going to be the last cast of the morning. We're going to let them sit out there and soak for a little while. Caught about probably, I don't know, 15, 20 cats today. Maybe a PB best on a croaker. And all in all, you know, I guess it's better than catching nothing, but not much. So we're going to say goodbye. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up. And even if you don't, hit the thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.